Hi, my name is RJ and this is Denise, and we are dietitians at Levine's Cancer Institute. And today we're going to show you how to make a sweet potato and kale salad. So we've already peeled and cubed our sweet potatoes. We've used 3, and if you wanted to substitute them out, you could also use a butternut squash, acorn squash, or a kombucha squash, whatever your preference is. So we are going to season our sweet potatoes right now with 1 tablespoon of olive oil, and we're just going to do a slight drizzle, half a teaspoon of salt and pepper. And now we have half a teaspoon of garlic salt, paprika, cumin, and 1/4 teaspoon of chipotle. And we're just going to mix it around and preheat the oven for 425 and let it bake for 20 to 25 minutes. So while that is cooking, you can start cutting up your kale. We've already chopped them up. So we are going to drizzle a little bit of olive oil and massage our kale. This will help get some of the bitterness out of the kale. When she's done doing that, we are going to add a little bit of salt and some pepper. We're going to add about 2 to 3 ounces of our crumbled goat cheese and our roasted pepitas. When she's done mixing that up, we're going to add our sweet potatoes. Now this salad tastes great on its own, but if you'd like, we've created an apricot vinaigrette to include to this recipe. This vinaigrette includes 1/4 cup of apple cider vinegar, 2 tablespoons of apricot jam, 2 garlic cloves minced, 1/4 teaspoon of each salt and pepper, a pinch of crushed red peppers, and 1/2 cup of virgin olive oil. You're going to add the olive oil last so that it can emulsify. And once it's all thoroughly mixed, you're just going to drizzle that vinaigrette over the salad. And you just want to mix all that thoroughly. And there you have our sweet potato and kale salad. Thank you, and feel free to check out our other videos.
Thanks for watching. For more information, visit us online, send us an email, or give us a call. Don't forget to click subscribe and hit that notification bell so you know when new videos are released. And most of all, be well.